Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation on history of a large language model, also known as the LLMs. In today's session, I will explore how these models start, how they are work, their challenges, and how they are shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Large language models are the one of the most exciting development in a AI because they allow to computer to understand, write and talk just like a human. Let's begin our journey to understand how these powerful model came into the extensions. Now let's start by understanding why large language models are were created. In the early days of computer machine could only follow the strict instruction and perform simple calculations. They could not understand the natural human languages, the way to speak, write or text, express their emotions. Researcher want computer to do more work, to read book, answer questions, and even hold conversation like a people do. This is a dream led to the idea of a creating model. The cloud learn from the text data and understand the language pattern. A large language model were built to solve this problem. Their main goal to make a machine capable to understand, processing, and generating human like language. So, what exactly is a large language model? A large language model, or LLM, is a type of a artificial intelligence that learns from massive amount of a data. It is used in a deep learning technique and the transform architecture to understand how words related to each other. These model are trained on a billion of a word from book, article, and the internet. Once trained, they are the predict the next word in the sentence, summarize text, translate language, and even write the creative content. Example of a popular LLMs are OpenAI GPT model and Meta's llamas. In short, llamas act like an advanced brain that help computer understands and communicate in a human language. Now let's look at how large language models innovated over this time. The journey begins in the 1916 with a simple program called Eliza. Uh, it was the one of the first chatbot that could limited a conversation, but not followed by the pre-write script. In this early 2000, researchers introduced the word to wake and glowes, which help to computer understand meaning and the relationship between the word. The big training the big turning point came in a 2017 when Google introduced the transformer model. This model used in the new method called the attention mechanism, which allowed mechanism to understand content content better. The key to modern language understanding after the OpenAI launch. launched GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, and now GPT-4, each more advanced than the previous one. This model can written easily, solve problem, code program, and even create art. Today, LLMs are used in a chatbot, customer support, education, healthcare, creative industries, changing the way we use technology every day. Then uh, now we will discuss the what are the challenges and limitation in this technique. Even through the large language model are the powerful, they helps to also face some challenges. The first challenges is high cost and energy use. Training this model required a huge amount of data and computing power, which consume the lot of electricity and money. Second is a bias in data. Since this model learn from human created data, they can sometimes reflect human bias or messy informations. Third one is a accuracy issue. Sometimes the model is a generate answer. They sound correct, but are actually wrong. They are also ethical and privacy concern, as a AI generated content can be misused copy without permission. Research and working to solve this problem by improving model accuracy, reducing bias, and making more efficient and suitable. And last one is to some of a large language model high uh, completely changed how human interact with a computer. They can made a technology more natural, helpful, and intelligent. From search engine and virtual assistant to chatbot and coding tools, LLM are everywhere. In a future, we can expect this model to become even smarter, faster, and more creative. They will assist a doctor, teacher, researcher in a solving real world problem more efficiently or effectively. However, it is also important to use this technology responsible and ethically. Uh, Onward toward the future where AI and human work together in a harmony. Harmony. Okay. Thank you for my listening. Okay. Thank you.